And now, here's the Boomer and the Babe, Pete Peters and Deborah Brown.
All right, so I'm standing here behind the counter. I feel like I'm where the magic happens, because where the magic happens is Infinity Magazine and JTS, which is a great print house. And your name is Loretta Johnston. You own this magic. Tell me about it.
Well, we started in 1997. I started out of my home and built a business, and in 1998 we picked up the Del Webb account, and so that just kind of launched us on a rocket ride that has landed us here on the corner of 107th.
Here is, okay, I was going to say, here is 107th and
Union Hills.
Union Hills in, is this Peoria or Sun City?
Actually, we yeah, we have a Sun City address, but we get taxed everything by Peoria.
Okay, all right. And Infinity Magazine is a glossy, high caliber magazine, which we actually occupied a little bit of same. I'm going to hold it up for, that's just terrible.
Shameless self-promotion.
Shameless self-promotion. But this is, after all, the Boomer and the Babe show, and so I can do that. But, you know, so what you're doing is you're telling the story of the Northwest Valley. Is that a good way to put it?
That's a good way to put it.
Every other month? Every other month.
I would say we've developed ourselves into the premier lifestyle magazine for the far Northwest Valley.
Okay, and so how many how many editions of this have you put out?
We're coming up on our 5th anniversary.
Fifth anniversary?
Yeah, that's an eternity in publishing. For the July-August
So
issue.
what does that mean, it's an eternity? Why is that so?
Well, these days, I don't know if you're keeping up with the headlines, but there's lots of publishers that are just kind of falling by the wayside, and to stay innovative and try to capture the reader's interest for that long of a period of time.
Well, if you look at the newspapers that are failing, that's another example of things having to change because of technology. Now, you've changed because of technology also. You're online with this publication as well, correct?
Yes, we are.
So you have, how many pages is this?
This is 32.
32.
And then we put each issue on the website, and then have all the articles. And the nice part about that is that references everything too, which then increases the traffic to the website as well.
Now, what did you do before Infinity Magazine and printing? Have you always done, is this what you've always done for your work?
Pretty much. Right out of high school, I got a job working with a reprographics company, and they wanted somebody, they were doing technical manuals, and so they wanted somebody to just input all of the typing. And because I was out of high school and was typing very fast, they thought, have somebody do that, and then they can put all the technical code in later. They realized that as quickly as I was doing it, they might as well show me the code. And then the rest, as they say, is her story.
So you learned back in the day. Yes, I learned on Ventura Publisher. For heaven's sakes. Ventura, and everything just seemed Greek, because it was. And boy, that certainly is different now.
Wow, it really is. I don't even think Ventura Publisher isn't even out there anymore. It kind of morphed into I think Corel Draw picked up part of it.
Now, you have noticed, I'm sure, that things changed, and you had to change with them. And I think your printing business is probably going through some of that as well. You know, people are not using a print house like they used to. They're going online and they're searching for things. Are you finding that you've had to take a lot of your stuff online?
We actually just launched our website in January, and it's EZ, the letter EZ, webprinting.com, and it allows you to do all of your print ordering online. And what's great about that, I mean, here's our shop, and you can come into our shop. But for a lot of people, and especially the more technically savvy that people do get and understand in the programs that they're working with how to create a PDF, they can do everything online and follow it through their own client dashboard. So,
do you have staff here that help you out with all the magic, I call it?
The magic.
It is magic. I mean, these are beautiful publications.
Thank you very much. We have a whole fact section on the website that has basically all the common answers that people that don't work in the trade don't necessarily realize. And so, for instance, bleed allowances is one of that I use a lot. If it's going to this cover bleeds completely off.
Is that a 1/16 of an inch?
You need an 1/8 of an inch bleed allowance all the way around.
Oh, see, I would have given you a 1/16,
and then I would have had to call you,
and I would have been messed up. So, you know, I'm interested in it because I do I dabble in my own design, you know, and then I hand off to the experts, and I come to you and I say, I can't make this as pretty as it needs to be, and I've had you do that. Our logo and some of our ads that we've placed in various places. This is the lady that's finished it up for us. Okay, so you're going to have a show on splashvod.com It's going to be 12 episodes. Some of them will be about the magazine and some of them will be about the printing.
Okay.
And I think you're going to, walk us through some of how to do some of this online?
Well, I think one
printing.
of the, printing, you can order printing. Like I said, you can come into the store, but what might be of value to your viewers is to see the website. It's very intuitive, very easy to use, but we may go ahead and include just kind of an instructional video for the website and say this is how you order your printing.
Okay, so it's all just put it in the right way, make sure that you cross the T's and dotted the I's.
Well, just even as simple as how to set up the account, because we do offer quite a few incentives, coupon codes, and you have to log in and set up your account to be able to do that. So we can show you the basic of here's how you set up your account. Once you order, here's how you follow your account, and that way you can see that you can follow the dashboard through every department that we're going through. It's almost like being here without being here.
Okay. All right, well, I'm looking forward to getting a lot more detail about what you're doing here. I know that we've enjoyed the comments that we've received about being in the magazine, and I do have to kind of say we're also on the inside front cover for quite a while. I have to love that.
Yeah, for a grip.
And we really enjoy that. So I'm looking forward to what we're going to do with you as far as the rest of the episodes coming out. So I think people need to stay tuned.
That's right. Now, what is it? How do they say that? Film at 11.
Film at 11.